Okay, guys, here we go. Here we go. Where are you? Give us a good one. Oh, it's certainly not cool out. Very humid. Come on, give us another couple. Over there in that quarter. Right over there. I think this is our third. I think this is our third one. I'm waiting for Australia Post to come. My air conditioner hasn't come. I've got a parcel for 3 from Temu, 2's late. 1 is late because it's coming by sea. It is coming by sea because of batteries. That's in it, it's a vacuum cleaner. 2 pairs of shoes, slipper leggings, and some heat. Ooh, right over there. Did we get it? It's not even summer yet, till next week. I'm just hoping I can get a couple of good flashes for it. I know. A couple of good lightning strikes here. Oh, I think I'll swap chairs. Oh, I like this one. Come on, where are you? Nope, that's not Australia Post. It's all yellow. I've got a big item come to. Well, one's the laptop, you know that. Ooh, that's a good flash. All over there, in that dark area. You reckon we're going to get it, Matthew? Ah. Oh. Did we catch it? I saw it, but I don't know if I caught it. It's coming from a different direction as normal. Oh. Now I've got an air conditioner coming today or tomorrow. So my room will be much, much cooler. Boy, you can smell it. We get that one? It's over there. I just don't want my iPad to get, laptop to get wet. Ah, okay, come on, give us a nice big bang, will you? Where is it? Where are we? Over there? Right over here. We're coming. Oh, that was one, but I keep missing it. Maybe I need to go that way. I keep, oh, lovely cool breeze. Oh. Yes, it's a very busy road. Come on. Come on, parcels. If I find a thing in the letterbox, I'll be very, very PO'd, especially if it's the big item. Ooh, that was a good flash. Now, is it coming our way or is it not coming our way? I think it's going that way, actually. It's going that way. That's a nice little motor car. If it does come this way, I will have to go inside because it gets wet. Now, certainly no Australia Post. Oh, that's it, I think. It's just cooled down a bit. I'll come out later. Where is it? I don't want to get that man in if I can help it. Oh, I think that's blowing over. We just got the smell. Maybe tonight. I'll post this in a minute. And I have to put some clothes away. Aye. No, I think it's gone the other direction. Okay guys, I'll come back later. Now the road's quiet. Oops. Did we get it? Did we get him? I think we got that one. Where's he going in a hurry? Nope. I'm waiting for what is it? Amex? Amex? I don't know how you pronounce it. They're very slow parcel riders. Very, very slow. That one was right above us, wasn't it? Yeah, I'll come out later. Someone's having a cigarette over the road. He can't come outside to have a cigarette. Oh. What are we up to? 9 minutes? Very, very slow storm. I don't think it's going to do very much. Okay, see you at 7:30 tonight. I've got 5G's working, so if I have to, I'll put it on to 5G. No, I think it's gone. It has gone the other direction. This is our front yard. That's been cleaned up. So, the front yard. No, it's more that direction. We're getting sprinkled on. Yeah, okay, that's enough. That's it. Bye-bye. Please subscribe. Third storm of the year.